Here we are in the park. It's so nice and peaceful. The parade is over. Ah, what a beautiful Canada Day. We have beautiful sunshine and it's just beautiful and hot. And I love summer, so this is like a heaven day. I don't know. Hot, sunny, people smiling all over the place. It's great. So I'm going to turn this around so that you can see what it's like here. The lake is so beautiful and peaceful. Oh, I love this spot too, especially when the waves are really big. I like to sit there in the rocks and do some wire wrapping. This is a beautiful park. There's lots of little barbecues and picnic tables, and it's a great place for families to come. Well, for anyone who wants to have a barbecue meal outside. Ooh, I love this big willow tree. We're at the lake there. I hope the camera's not shaking too much. I'm using my phone and Gimple, and I do walk with a cane. I've got a limp, so I try not to limp too much, but sort of like, I always wanted to, I love people who do these walking videos, like Johnny Strides and Ken Continuum. They do walking videos through Toronto and other places too. They're mainly based in Toronto. And they were amazing during the pandemic. Oh my gosh. Well, they're amazing now. But I mean, when we were in lockdowns for so long, it was just great that they were out walking, doing their videos. And it just made you feel less locked up. So these parks are great, lots of paved pathways. So if you have disabilities and have difficulty getting around, these parks are really good and pretty accessible. And that makes a huge difference. At least the smoke is clearer today. The air quality is better. Look at this lake. I am so blessed to live here. Oh, look. Someone's gonna go up in the air soon and have some fun. Ooh, I hope you can hear those birds. So many birds you can hear in the summer. It's beautiful. Open the window in the morning and just listen to birds. It's incredible. It's like this beautiful, magical singing every morning. The winter, though, is very quiet. Every once in a while you hear a cardinal or a blue jay. Right now it's very quiet. Just trying to decide which way I'm going to walk. Go over by the waterfall. Or go by the lake. I think I'll go by the lake. I can by the waterfall later. I wish you could feel the breeze. If they had feel-o-vision or smell-o-vision. I don't know, that would be cool. So I guess you could just imagine. If you're a little stressed out, well, imagine it's very hot. Very hot and the sun is shining on you, warming up your skin. But then there's this light breeze that just blows softly over your skin, cooling you down. So you're really comfortable. Imagine the smell of green trees. All different types of trees. And walking in the shade is cool. So important to relax. It's difficult if you're sick or you're injured or you're shut in and you can't get out. And you can't get out in nature and relax. Hopefully you can enjoy this. You can hear the boats in the background. And the lapping of the water up against the rocks to my right. Ah, so lovely. Oh, berries up there. Excuse the bumping around to the camera. The little yellow buttercups. So if you're having a really stressful day, I really hope and pray it gets better. Just hoping that videos like this help, and if you just look online, there's a lot of amazing videos. People are walking all over the place and sharing nature and inspiration. For me, I live with chronic pain. I had a back injury when I was very young, and then went on to develop fibromyalgia and just a lot of pain I live with. Some days are worse than others. Some days is very, very difficult to get out. So on days like these, I get out. Also, doing videos on YouTube, I never thought I'd be doing this. Especially at my age. Oh my gosh, I never thought I'd be a YouTube content creator. Such a strange name. But it's something I always wanted to do. But then I figure, wow, in my age, I better enjoy myself. I don't know if you can see the little flies. Oh, I just love this heat. Now, which way will I walk? And go up that way, or no, we're gonna go along this way. Oh, wow, looks like they're having fun up there. little rest here for a minute. Oh, put this in my other hand. I use my cane in my other hand, so I have to use one, so I just need some little rests. Or I lean this up against my body, but I think that makes it shake a lot more. Anyway, I hope you can enjoy it. Oh, so many lovely birds. There's the sumac trees. Soon they will be all full of red fruit. Like flowers. I don't know if it's flowers or fruit. The color is beautiful. See, there's little benches you could come and sit. I'm very tempted to sit down. I might. Oh, there's a lot more benches along here. Oh, that's great. There's another one down there. I think I'll sit over there. Can you hear the wind fluttering the leaves? We used to have those all around our house in our backyard. I wonder if you can hear them. It's almost like water trickling or rain falling. That's the sound. Okay, I have reached my limit today. After a little rest, I'm going to head back this way. So here I am. Here's my Canada Day outfit. I love this kimono. The red is so incredible. And then I made these cute earrings. They're so sweet. I don't know if I can get close enough on here. They're little red glass maple leaves with little white flowers and another red glass bead. They're all Czechoslovakian glass between, and they're sweet and pretty, and you can wear them all year round. I love them.